Hi, I'm Kyle Nye, the Science Guy, and today we will be using apple cider vinegar and baking soda to make a reaction, but not just any type of reaction, one that's in the mouth. Today it's raining, that's why I'm wearing this coat, because when it's raining, you gotta wear your coat, even when you're inside, I guess. Oh, drip. Well, so, let's do this. So what happens when you put baking soda in apple cider vinegar is that. So, what we want to do is this. Try a new thing. What happens when you have some apple cider vinegar Whew, that's spicy stuff. Don't tell Mother I did this. She won't want me, give off any secrets. Ooh, I swallowed it.